Hi, dear Sagittarius. A very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. And keep in mind, as these are journal of readings, this might or might not resonate with you. And the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so let's start. Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is I'll call you Saggy. Okay, so Sagittarius, your partner's current energy right now is Ace of Pentacles. So I feel like right now your partner is doing something related to their business, their money, their job. This could be the first thing. The second thing that they want right now is I feel like they want to have a brand new start in this connection all over again. I have to check it for them. This is the Ace of Pentacles. This is a brand new beginning of something related to money, something related to business or job. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles and their current energy. Might be they want to connect with you again, and that's why there's a start in this connection. There's a Ace of Pentacles in the current energy. Let's clarify. Eight of Cups, oh my god, Devil, and the Nine of Swords. I feel like either you walked away or they walked away, and they were feeling like this connection was very obsessive, very toxic, very negative, and might be you were dealing with a narcissist here, or they were a narcissist. I don't know. Might be this person was feeling like you are a narcissist. There's something that was very negative in this connection. You walked away, or they walked away, and they felt like they are just coming out of a toxic relationship or negative relationship or negativity or toxicity in their life. They were overwhelmingly anxious and stressed, very stressed. They were very stressed in the recent past. I can see that this person was not able to sleep. Even they were very anxious, they were very stressed. They were hoping that they should come out of this toxicity, negativity as soon as possible. Okay, now I'm getting here that they are coming out of a stage, or coming out of a relationship that was very toxic, very obsessive, very possessive, and they were not able to come out of that very easily. Okay, very stressed, very anxious they were, and now they're starting their life all over again. All over again, they're starting their life. Yeah, after lots of toxicity, negativity, after lots of codependency, possessiveness, whatnot, they were dealing with shit in their life. Now finally they are gathering the courage to start their life all over again, giving life a second chance. Yep. So let's see, Sages, what's your current energy? Sages, your current energy right now is Hierophant. So I feel like either you are in this phase of engagement or marriage or something like that, or you are just trying to tap into a spiritual side of your life, or you just got a guru or mentor or someone who is guiding you on your path right now. So it's like tapping into a spiritual side right now. This is what I'm getting for you. Although this is the card of marriage as well, engagement as well. For most of you, I feel like you are just tapping into a spiritual side because you have been hurt a lot in the past, that you need something to grow from inside. Okay, that is why right now I feel like you're tapping into your spiritual side. Let's clarify the Hierophant in your current energy. Let's see. Knight of Cups, Five of Cups, Emperor. See, you have been hurt a lot in this relationship sector, in this love sector of your life. You are missing someone very badly, lost, missing someone, grieving, regretting something that you did. Could be dealing with the Aries here, could be dealing with the Taurus here. Okay, so Sagittarius, I feel like you were completely in love with somebody, and that love was very passionate, and that somebody broke your heart, completely broke your heart. They broke your emotions, they broke your trust, they broke your, might be they betrayed you, and you took the decision that I will leave this person, I will start my life all over again. I will now tap into my spiritual side, and I will grow from inside out. Okay, this is what your current energy is. So you took this decision after lots of fights and lots of conflicts, and after lots of hurting game, lots of hurts and bruises, wounds. You're still carrying the wounds and bruises of the past with you. Yeah, let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Sagis, what they are feeling for you. Page of Wands. So this person wants to connect with you, and this is the card of messages. Messenger. Page of Wands is a messenger. Messenger. Pages are messengers. Okay. So this person wants to connect with you. Might be you can say reconnect with you, and they want to text you. They want to start this connection, start this conversation with you again. And I feel like they want to travel with you. This is intuitively I'm getting that this person wants to travel with you, explore new things with you, start this connection all over again with just a plain friendship. Just a plain friendship. They want to connect with you. They feel like they should connect with you. Okay. Let's clarify the Page of Wands and their feelings for you. Okay, so this is the Seven of Cups, the Hierophant again, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, so I feel like they were exploring lots of options in their life in the recent past, and they found out that you are the best. You are the best from these options. You are carrying all the traits that they want in a person, and they feel like you are the one who make them really happy. See, they were exploring options in their life. After exploring lots of options in their life, they found you. They found you. See, you are here, the Hierophant, and the Hierophant is here too from the different deck. So this person is feeling like they're spiritually connected with you, and you make them really happy. You make their soul happy whenever you guys are together. You guys create magic. You guys create some kind of creative thing, some kind of positivity. You guys on the same page. You guys have a great chemistry with each other, and that's why I feel like right now this person wants to text you and connect with you. And this is kind of might be an offer of friendship, just a plain friendship. This is what they are going to talk to you about. Yeah, but yes, you really make them happy, and you could be dealing with a Taurus. Lots of you Taurus is coming again and again. Yep. So this is what they feel like doing. They feel like they should text with you. They feel like they should text you. They feel like they should reconnect with you and start this connection all over again. Not on loving terms, but yes, on a friendship term. They want to. They feel like they should do it actually. So let's see what this person want from you. Let's see. Hanged man. So I feel like this person wants you to see the world from their eyes, to match with their perspective, to see what they want to see. Okay. Actually, they want. So this is kind of stuck situation. Okay. So they want you to unstuck yourself and see the world from their eyes and see and try to understand their point of view as well. Okay, because I feel like there were hell lot of misunderstandings between you guys and hell lot of miscommunication between you guys. Now this person wants you to clear them out with them, okay, and just restart this friendship again. Restart, give rebirth to this connection again. Yeah, this is connection 2.0 with the same person. Yeah, let's clarify the Hanged Man. Page of Swords and the Hangman again and the Strength card. Could be dealing with the Leo here. So I feel like this person is spying on you, not spying on you in a negative way. This person is, checking on you. You can say this person is checking on you via Facebook, Instagram, and they feel like you are doing good in life, just good in your life, but you should just change your perspective, change your views, change the way you see things, and you should just come out of this silent zone. Might be you guys are silent with each other, not talking to each other at all, and they just want you to communicate with them and see the world again from their eyes. Yeah, this is the situation here. They're just seeing you, they're just watching you, what you are doing on Facebook, Insta, or wherever you are, Snapchat, wherever the shit you are on, like on social media. So yeah, they want you to unstuck yourself and be courageous, be determined, and start the connection all over again, start the conversation from their side, from your side again. They're just waiting on you to start this conversation again. I don't see there's love here, but yes, definitely there are feelings of friendship here, feelings of positivity, feelings of care here. I don't see any kind of love here as of now. But yeah, they want you to unstuck yourself and just see the world from their eyes, from their perception, try to understand what they have for you, or what they feel for you, what they want to tell you, and just be you. I don't know. This is the situation here. This is kind of mixed signals that I'm getting here from what they want from you. They want you to unstuck yourself again, but they want you to be yourself as well. What kind of feelings they are having right now? This is complicated, right? All they want from you is to see the world from their eyes and see their perspective. Try to understand what they want to say. Yeah. Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of August. Sajis, let's see. Nine of Wands. Okay. So, I don't feel like there's communication. They feel like they should communicate with you, but I don't feel like the communication is coming. This is the Nine of Wands energy. They are still in this hurtful zone. They are still in this defensive zone. They are still creating some kind of walls around them. Although they are feeling like they have started new in their life, they have started a new life, relationship 2.0 or life 2.0, something like that. But I feel like this person is deeply hurt, deeply hurt. I feel like both of you are deeply hurt, and both of you are right now creating some kind of walls around you and not emotionally open to each other. This is the Nine of Wands energy. I feel like both of you are right now silent, and this silence will continue till the 10th of August. Yep. So, again, let me clarify the Nine of Wands to get more insight about what is coming towards you. Ten of Swords, a Fool, Death card. You could be dealing with a Scorpio here. This person is feeling like somebody betrayed them. The worst that could happen to them has happened now. Now they are ready to have a brand new beginning in their life. Now the relationship is over. This relationship is completely over. They had a breakup, they had a fallout, but they are still hopeful. They are still hopeful about this connection. Still wanting your friendship, still wanting your care and love. Not that kind of love, commitment or marriage kind of love. But yes, they need your love, your care, and they need you in their life. They want to keep the friendship intact with you. Yeah, but I don't feel like this person is coming towards you till the 10th of August, or you are going towards them till the 10th of August, because both of you are hurt right now. Especially this person is feeling like the worst is happened, the worst is over now. Still, they are in this energy of pain, in this energy of, I'm just healing from something. I need my space, I need my time, and they are just taking their sweet ass time. They are trying their best to start their life all over again, because they are feeling like everything is dead now. Everything is dead. Nothing is working in their favor, and everything is just finished. They are feeling like they have to start life from scratch. This is what they are feeling, and yeah, that is why I feel like there's silence between you guys. Yeah. This is the Nine of Wands energy. So I don't feel like this person is coming towards you and you guys are talking to each other, but I feel like in the next reading, like from 11 to 21st, definitely I feel like this person will come to you and you guys will talk to each other, because this person right now is in healing phase. Yep. And for you as well, I feel like you are also healing from something, but you are in a right place. You are on the right on the you are in the right frame of mind. You are on the fuck. You are in the right place, and you are just having good environment around you, good people around you that are helping you, guiding you. But this person is still stuck somewhere, and they are not able to move on. They are not able to heal. They are not able to come out of the situation, although they are trying their best. Yeah. So, Sajis, thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. If you find my reading helpful, please do let me know in the comment section below. And negative reviews are also, yeah, welcome, but be mindful and be little sensitive what you write down there, right? Thank you. God bless you.